People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as P+7 on Blue Sky and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My soaps look at Purple Butterfly soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, Purple Butterfly people.blogspot.com. And we're past the 14th, but I have a Valentine's Day present that I'm going to unbox. That was hand delivered yesterday, and isn't it cute? So we're gonna open it up and see what's all inside. And maybe save that ribbon to wear in my hair. This is from Topaz and Jayceon's Corner, or Topi Speaks in Jayceon's Corner. In other words, my daughter and my grandbaby. Grow in Grace. It's a notebook, I believe. Oh, inspirational journal. Oh, how cute. Blank pages for your thoughts. And a couple of them has a scripture on it. He restores my soul, Psalm 23:3. It's the same scripture on all of them. Okay, cool. Now, next up, we have, ooh, candy. Russell Stover, y'all. It's milk chocolate truffle, dark chocolate caramel, milk chocolate pecan delight. Ooh. I'm going to enjoy that. But not today because I'm already over my carbs, and yeah, my plate list was 431 today, which is near perfect. Normal is 400, and my sugar level has been doing some fun things, and I got it like right here. So yeah, we're not taking no chances eating a bunch of chocolate today, because yeah, ate cherry cordials by Little Debbie and those Valentine donuts, and yeah, I was naughty. My sugar level is up. Sponge bath that says I love you. And it's got a poof attached. This is cool. Okay. Look at that. I need a new poof. Oh, and it's all in this purple basket. KK has a similar gift set with a pink basket. We might trade baskets. She likes purple, I like pink. And a blingy ink pen. It looks like it's got a diamond on it. That's cute. And then, is that, does the glitter move? It does. It's got a bunch of glitter rocks in there. That moves when you shake it up. That's kind of cool. I think it's an ink pen. Hold on. Ah, you turn it. Okay. Cool. Now I'm sitting here trying to push the button. There's no button to push. Ooh, peppermint essential oil. I needed some of this. Yeah. petal. I think that's just decoration though. And that's either perfume or perfume oil. Please remove protective film. Oh wow, look at that. The container has a cowboy boot on it, looks like. Hold on. Well, the protective film is sticking to me. Look at that. It's like cling wrap. I see why they say protective film. It's got scratches all over it, and now it's pristine. So the scratches was just on this very sticky film. That's funny. Okay. And the film's not coming up on this side. Hold on. There we go. And on this side, the protective film is clear instead of blue. Interesting. And it came right up. Is that cute or what? It's almost like holographic. So I'll hold it from this angle and then you can see it better. It's highly reflective. That's actually clear. But with the holographic, it's hard to see straight through. This is really neat. Okay, I'm going to put the ink pen in there. And maybe it'll be a pencil holder. At least that's what I'm thinking. I'll put these back in the basket for now. And I'm going to see what this is. Well, it is not what I was thinking. That's a roll-on. It's a oil. Interesting scent. I have no idea what the name of the scent is, but apparently it's a perfume oil. I'll ask her when I see her. But yeah, that's everything that was in here. So, yeah. I'm thinking this basket would be perfect for the bathroom because I had a butterfly tin. It was oval shaped, had butterflies embraced on it. After years and years and years, it's starting to rust and leave stains all over my sink. So, yeah, this will replace that. And then I could put it someplace, shall we say, dry, where there's not a lot of moisture getting to it. So that way I could scrub off the rust and then not worry about it rusting again, because I'm not throwing it away. But yeah, isn't that pretty? I really love this. I mean, it is just too cute. She forgot to take away the price tag, but it does say pen holder, so that was a good guess on my part. Yeah. And then I have my fountain pen and, well, my manicure set fit in there. So, yeah, make sure it's, well, the battery's still charged, but let's make sure it's not in the on position. And I could put my little mini scissors in there. So, yeah. Basically all the stuff that was on my table here now has a home. So, yeah, this has been Peepless7 on Twitter and YouTube. I'm going to eat one of these. It is not Twitter, it's Blue Sky. Well, I don't have to worry about overdoing the sugar anyway. There's only 3 in there. So let's look for which one was the almond, no, pecan delight. It's the bumpy one. So yeah. Nah, I'll save it for when I make some coffee. Take my sugar level, make sure it is, below a certain level. In other words, I'm going to behave. How often you hear me say that? Because, see, I would say I'm celebrating because my platelets are 431, but I already ate half a pizza for dinner to celebrate. And that's a lot of carbs, and I'm diabetic, and yeah. Then I had junk food earlier, and we're basically, you remember the song in Top Gun, now we're headed to the danger zone? Yeah, we try to stay away from the danger zone, so I'll eat that tomorrow sometime. Can't be for breakfast. Well, actually it can. I could do high calories in the morning and towards lunch, and then by dinner I'm on a sensible take, because in the mornings my sugar be like under 80, and you have to bring it up quick, usually with protein and cereal or oatmeal or whatever. But it's like I could eat candy, then it'll get a spike, and then eat something with protein in it to maintain the level, because you don't want to, crashes aren't good either. You don't want to go up too high, you don't want to crash. Learned that the hard way, trust me. Coffee. No cream, no sugar this time, just coffee. Excellent. But yeah, 'cause I'm not a creamer. And I don't use sugar in my coffee anymore. I haven't in a number of years. Um, Coffee, especially French roast, it's got a deep, rich flavor that is slightly sweet on the end to me. Um, Maybe it's a perception, because other people say it's smooth or it's bitter, but to me, slightly sweet. And I'm waiting on my daughter to get home so I can go to sleep, because it's almost, well, close to 9:30, and by 10 I'm usually like this. And then I finally stopped doing the trying to wake myself up thing and go, duh, you're tired, go to sleep. Oh, and the day on Star Maker, I sung the Rick Roll. That was great fun. uh, I'm punchy. When I get sleepy, I get what my family calls punch drunk. Everything becomes funny and goofy, and then you crash. So I'm going to end here. This has been People of Seven. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot something. Hold on. Let's take you with me. I told somebody I was going to show them my trophy for driving the school bus. It's right there. Is that sucker huge or what? That's my driving certificate from Peterman in 2001. This trophy was from 2009. It's the Peterman 10th Annual Company Rodeo, third place conventional competition, April 25th, 2005. And look, it's got like a little teeny school bus on top of it. Right there. And then I also got this. This is actually my favorite. It's the best traffic cop with my name on it, K. And look at that. I'm a good egg. That's what that is. That's an egg. And it says 75 is backed up. They actually wrote that on there. That was from May 28th, 2004, rather. 2009, 2004. Those are both from Peterman. And then I also did the rodeo at First Student, made it to the regionals there. But instead of really big trophies, they just gave me a patch. And I don't know if the patch survived the move or not because I didn't find them after I moved here. So, yeah. But I still have stuff I haven't unpacked in the last 5 years I've been living here, like files and stuff like that, and it might very well be in a file. I am not really worried about it. Um, the thing is, my stroke happened while I was a first student driver, October 29th, 2013, and there's memory gaps and stuff, but there's also an aversion to opening up memories and then, or opening up things and go, wait a minute, I don't remember this, or, you know, I get nervous about repeats of things. Like, this happened on this day and I had a stroke, so we don't want to do something that reminds me of that, because it's in there. I might have a stroke, even though that's totally is an unreasonable fear. And my daughter's home. Well, or somebody's knocking on the door anyway. Hello, welcome home. You brought a bunch of stuff with you.
Yeah, I gotta do laundry and get ready to pack.
Pack? Where you going?
I'm going to Georgia for a couple days.
Oh, you going to the funeral?
Yeah.
This has been People of 7 on Blue Sky YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located Purple Butterfly dash soaps dot my Shopify. Nope, my soaps located Purple Butterfly dash soaps dot myshopify.com. My blog Purple Butterfly dash people dot blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that like button. Bye now. Gotta go talk to my kid.